Alright, so first off, show you how to do some things in Excel. So my granddad was an IT specialist, and these are some of the programs and things he works with, and I just put in some data right here. It's not always correct. I mean, this this data is not correct. It's just sample data to help him. First off, what you can't see, I widened these pixels up here from columns A all the way to H. You can see it's a lot bigger. Okay. Then I merged in the center, as you can see, and then I applied the style right here to IT specialist, and then I applied head two all the way from quarter one to trim. And then I have my total thing right here, which I'm finishing the totals. Alright, so first for quarter one, you want to add up all this data. You could go and auto sum or use the sum function for this data, but I'm just going to add it up. So but you can also do it other way, much quicker. So as I can see, I got the total 41, and I'm gonna slide this autofill here all the way over to annual. I'm just gonna add up all these. So for this, I'm doing the same thing. Uh, uh, oh, actually, I already added up the data here. I didn't see that. Already added up all this data right here. So as you can see from PowerShell, all 4 quarters, and this is the annual total. Right here, I see B5, C5, E5, all the way across. I didn't see I already added that up, but I did. And then I just use the autofill handle all the way down. Alright, now we're going to use the absolute cell reference. So first off, we're going to divide this number by this number. Annual total divided by the total sales, and make this an absolute cell reference. You can mash F4, but on my computer that don't work, so I had to put dollar signs in there. And also we named this IT specialist right here, the sheet. And as you see, it gives a percent, so we're just going to use the autofill handle. Go all the way down. Okay. And insert a spot on. So, and then we're going to use the quarterly data. So, spot on. So you got the trend right here, and you can autofill it and autofill all of these. And you see the trend from this data. Right here, the quarterly data. Also, we can add colors, we can put markers, but I'm going to use markers right here. This is the style I'm using. Let's change it. I don't like that color. Let's change it. So we got and that looks pretty good as far as the percent goes. Next, we can let's just do a chart out of this. All annual data. Okay, so the data. And as you can see, we got that. Let's just let's put it 12. Let's just use start and use now. We can plot the legend on area. And um, then fix the border of the chart, order. Let's move the wheels. One wheel. Let's not this and this. Three, four. I don't like that. I don't have the properties. And that's about all right. Let's see. Hot area. I like how the chart is on the outside. So like that. And then inside that. And we'll keep the legend at the bottom. So we got a chart, and I'm gonna move this chart to new worksheet. Now we have a chart. Let's see. Chart style. And we're just gonna go two other big things. So we're gonna angle this slice. I'm gonna angle the first slice about 90 degrees. We're just gonna show you the price. Chart. 9%. me show you. This is well, these two are equal, but I'm going to show you how to just explode. So that's my chart right here. This is what they spend the most on. These two. We'll go ahead. I'm gonna keep it like it is because that's how I like it. And that's about what I like. Let's see what I'm supposed to do relative cell reference. So relative cell reference is pretty easy. So let's just say I want to go to a new sheet. Let's just say equals and relative cell reference kind of forecast function up here. And then say if we want PowerShell, this is going to write PowerShell in here. That's a relative cell reference right there. Okay. So for forecast, let's just say so I'm gonna do it down here. Let's just say forecast increase. Let's just say 3.5%. I'm just gonna put a cell function right here. This one. Actually, we can go ahead and put this on a sheet. So this we're going to we're going to go right here. Let's just fix it. And then let's just say, let's just so reference. Say, actually, let's just use the annual total of total sales. So let's just use show the forecast. So that. Okay, let's say this increased it. I was down 4 years, so let's just say two, three. Okay. How do I do this?